What's going on, y'all? I got a programming challenge solution for how much paint in C++. Here we go. Here's the input portion of the program. First, I need a constant float variable that's set equal to paint coverage. And we'll say 460. And this is going to be square foot. SQFT per gallon. And you can change this paint coverage number to whatever you please. I'm just kind of picking a random number here. Another few variables that I need are float variables. I need the height of the area that I'm painting, and we'll say the height is I don't know, 7 feet. And then I need a what do I need? Length. That's going to be set equal to, I don't know, 1200 feet. And then next thing I'm going to be working on the process area. So that's all the input information that I might need from the user. But in this case, I'm just hard coding it in there. So the process area is, I need to find out the area. So still continuing on this float statement here, there's another variable that I'm creating called area. That's going to be set equal to the height, HEIG, the height times the length. I got this right here, HEIGHT. All right, the height times the length, and then the next variable that I need to create is the total area. The total area is going to be set equal to the area times 2. And then the gallons needed is another variable that I'm creating. It's going to be set equal to the total area divided by the paint coverage, which is this variable up here. So I got a squiggly line there. It says identifier height is undefined. Okay, no, it's not. It's defined up here. Why are you giving me that error? So let me see. Let me highlight there. Expected identifier. Okay, so here's supposed to be a semicolon. That's what that was. All right, cool. So once I got that information, the next thing I need to do is output some information to the user. So this is the standard form of a program. We've got some input. We have some process or calculation, whatever you want to call it, area. And then we have an output. So the output is going to be always at this point using a cout statement, put a line break, and then another line break at the end. So this is one continuous cout statement I'm going to put it on multiple lines. As you can see, there's no semicolon here until the end of the statement. So I'm just going to output all this information here. You can go ahead and fast forward this here, or I'll just chop it up on the editor if it's taking a while. All right, so I got an endl there. Next thing I'm going to put is the height, HEIGHT, and then height, HEIGHT, line break, and then what else do I need? The length. That's set equal to that, and then what do we put? Total area. All right, let me scroll this up a little bit. Total area, and then coverage area, coverage per gallon. That's going to be set equal to paint coverage, which is that constant variable we created up top. And then we have gallons needed. All right, and that's it. That should be done there. And for good measure, one thing I like to do is just kind of make this look a little bit nice. There's a way to format it. using the IO manip and all that stuff, but I can't really remember it at this point, so I just kind of just do it to the best of my ability. All right, you can feel free to go ahead and figure out how you can IO manip that thing. So we got all the information there. So next thing I need to do is open a terminal. So open up it right here, the Explorer, right click on the file that I'm working on, which is this one. Open integrated terminal. There's my terminal at the bottom. Okay, so to run this program, I need to say C++, put the file name, enter, and then ./.a.out, hit enter. All right, and there's the information output to the user.